Hello everyone. This video shows a popular knitting pattern using a 2 mm thick cotton braided cord. This knitting is perfect for creating home decor items like bags, napkins, and mats of all kinds. The scheme consists of 2 loops and 2 rows. The swatch has an odd number of stitches. A single loop offsets the next row. The first loop is slipped without knitting, and the last one is knitted through the back. The knitting structure involves crossing stitches on both sides. Row 1 is on the right side. We work with the loops in pairs. After the edge loop, knit the second loop through the back, then knit the first. Again. Knit the second, knit the first. Knit the second, knit the first. At the end of the row, knit 1. Row 2 is on the wrong side. We work with the loops in pairs. After the edge loop, purl the second loop, then purl the first. Again. Purl the second, purl the first. Purl the second, purl the first. At the end of the row, purl 1. I have presented you with an easy way to decorate the home with handmade textiles. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate your presence. If you find the video helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications never to miss a video. I hope that you found inspiration for your next knitting project. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon.